Prepper again. I'm doing another review. It's another Rolson like thing. Rolson made tool. As you can see, it's a multi-tool. 7-in-1 pliers with wire cutters. Not very like big ones, but the wire cutters. LED, which is really bright. Comes with batteries, which is good. So then over here we have screwdriver, another screwdriver and bottle opener, saw, and knife. That's pretty much it for this. But I would recommend this literally just for how small it goes to. It is literally about the width of all my fingers. So I would definitely recommend like sticking this in like a survival tin or anything like that, or maybe like an everyday carry. Yeah, so I would recommend it. I got it for $4.99. So yeah, Rolson 7-in-1 multi-tool review. Thanks for watching.